Every morning, millions of people wake up, check their phones, get ready, go to work, spend hours earning money, come back home exhausted, and then ask themselves the same question: why am I still not getting ahead financially? The answer surprises most people. It's not always because they don't work hard. It's because most people are taught to trade time for money. And time has limits. Think about it. There are only 24 hours in a day. If your income depends only on the hours you work, eventually you hit a ceiling. But the people who seem to grow financially faster usually understand something different. They don't just work for money, they build systems that help money work for them. Money usually grows in four simple stages: first, earn; second, save; third, invest; fourth, repeat. Sounds simple, but most people stop at the first step. The fastest way to increase income in today's world is often not working more hours. It's learning valuable skills. Skills create opportunities. Skills create leverage. Skills can open doors that didn't exist before. Whether it's editing videos, coding apps, creating content, sales, design, AI tools, or solving problems for people, valuable skills increase your earning power. But earning more alone isn't enough. One of the biggest financial traps is lifestyle inflation. You earn more money, then immediately spend more money. New phone, bigger subscriptions, more shopping, more eating out. Suddenly your income rises, but your savings stay exactly the same. Financial growth happens when income grows faster than spending. Imagine two roads. One road says buy everything now. The other says invest in your future. The first road feels exciting today. The second road creates freedom tomorrow. Even small amounts matter. You don't need millions to begin. Small, consistent actions often beat random big wins. That's because of something powerful called compounding. Compounding means money starts making more money. At first, it feels slow, almost invisible, but over time, the growth begins accelerating. The same thing happens with knowledge, skills, and habits. And this is why the internet changed everything. Today, one idea can reach millions. One video can create opportunities. One app can become a business. One useful skill can create income from anywhere. You don't need to know everything to start. You only need to start and improve. Imagine becoming just 1% better every day. That sounds tiny, but after months and years, those small improvements become massive. Track your money. Know where it goes. Most people know what they watched yesterday, but not where their money disappeared. Build an emergency fund, because financial stress often comes from not having options. Keep learning. Knowledge compounds too. While some people spend hours scrolling endlessly, others spend time building skills that create future income. Your first extra $1,000 isn't important because of the money itself. It changes how you think. It proves growth is possible. Then the goal changes. You stop chasing paychecks and start building assets. Assets are things that can keep creating value even when you're not actively working every second. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It's built through repeated decisions. Learn, earn, save, invest, repeat, and remember this: you do not need to be rich to begin. You begin, and over time, you build wealth. If this video helped you think differently about money, subscribe and come back for more simple finance lessons. Your future is built one decision at a time.